At Medikonda Nutrients, botanical ingredients are built on precision. Our Brahmi Bacopa Monnieri powder is processed through a carefully controlled, export-ready system designed to deliver consistent potency, safety, and performance for nutraceutical, herbal, and functional food applications worldwide. The journey begins at trusted farms where Bacopa Monnieri is cultivated under sustainable, traceable agricultural practices. Fresh, healthy plants are monitored throughout their growth cycle, ensuring optimal leaf density and active compound development. Only fully matured Brahmi plants are harvested at the right stage of potency, setting the foundation for a high-quality finished ingredient. The selected Brahmi is then subjected to a comprehensive, multi-stage cleaning process to eliminate soil and surface impurities. Clean input is critical for consistent downstream processing. The cleaned Brahmi is dried under carefully regulated temperature and airflow conditions. This gentle drying process helps preserve naturally occurring Bacosides, characteristic green color, herbal aroma, and functional integrity. Once dried, the Brahmi is milled using food-grade grinding systems to produce a fine, uniform powder suitable for capsules, tablets, extracts, and bulk formulations. The powder is passed through precision sieves to ensure uniform particle size and batch-to-batch consistency. Advanced sterilization methods are then applied to ensure microbial safety without compromising bioactive content. Every batch is tested in accordance with international standards, including microbial safety, heavy metals, moisture content, active marker consistency. Only batches that meet Medikonda Nutrients' strict quality benchmarks are released. Finally, our organic Brahmi Bacopa Monnieri powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.